Hey everyone, this is Adam Walter with Humanize IT. I want to give you a quick update on this new feature we just released called asset filtering and column selection. It seems like a boring item, but this is actually a big deal for a lot of you as we're able to show more information custom to clients in the email dispatch. So come over here and look at this. What we have is the weekly tech update. And this is under personas. You can see here that we have it down here. I have a ton, but down here we have announcements, threat map. And as you scroll down, we've kind of got some easy things for the client to review. Over here, we used to have a really blank area. And so now we can actually come in and we can put in the last logged on user, the asset name, purchase name, location name. We can select which columns to use. Now, instead of it just being a generic asset, we can now say, oh, this is Adam's computer. This is Skip's computer. This is Ken. Oh, it's really old. We really need to replace that. This is their remote PC. This is over at the main office. You can do a ton of things to add context to why this needs purchased. Another thing you can do in the asset area is that when you're doing your asset sync, you can actually control how the import happens. So now when this happens, it's going really immediately. It's updating 235 assets. But if you want to put in more cost and depreciation, you still can. However, what happened was invisibly in the background, under integrations, you'd already mapped something. So you come over to the integration for your asset field mapping under integrations, and you can say what gets put where. Some of you guys have custom mappings, such as Halo users. So you can say now the asset name is known as what? Maybe you want to put in something else. Maybe you want to bring it in from another area. You can. What this does is it allows you to customize your inventory and allow you to make things look the way you want. Do you pull in costs from certain fields? Do you populate it somewhere? The whole idea here is for you to have control of what your client can see and how it gets presented in a meaningful way. We really, really like the ability for ourselves to be able to talk to our clients and show them things that they can make actionable items off of. So, again, come in, check this out. One is under the integrations tab here, and another is under the personas tab, where you can actually see and deliver to your client custom columns that make sense to them. If you have any other questions, reach out to us as always at coaching@humanizeit.biz. Thank you.